Ibotta gives users cashback on eligible purchases by adding offers before shopping, buying qualifying items, and submitting proof of purchase through the app. By the end, you'll know how Ibotta works, what makes it different from other cashback apps, and whether the effort is worth the rewards you can get. Ibotta is a cashback rewards app focused on everyday shopping. Instead of earning points from every purchase, users typically choose available offers, buy qualifying products, and complete the required steps to receive cashback. The biggest difference with Ibotta is that you usually need to activate offers before making a purchase. This means checking the app before shopping can affect whether your purchase qualifies. The app works best for people who already buy the products included in available offers. If the items match your normal grocery or shopping list, you can earn cashback without changing your spending habits. The process is simple. You open Ibotta, look for offers that interest you, complete the purchase, and submit the required information through the app. The reward depends on the offers available and whether your purchase meets the requirements. The main thing to understand is that Ibotta is not a discount on everything you buy. It is a tool for finding savings on specific purchases. If you ignore the offers and shop normally, you may not get much value from it. Before deciding if Ibotta is worth using, check 3 things. First, look at your shopping routine. If you frequently buy groceries and household products, you may find more matching offers. Second, consider the extra steps. You need to spend time checking offers and completing the cashback process, so the value depends on whether the rewards justify that effort. Third, avoid buying products only because they offer cashback. A reward does not create savings if you spend more money on items you did not need. Ibotta can be worth the effort for shoppers who already plan purchases around available offers. It may not be useful for people who want automatic savings without checking deals first. What? The practical next step is to compare your last few shopping trips with the offers available in Ibotta and see if the cashback opportunities match what you already buy. If this helped you understand whether Ibotta is worth using, like the video and subscribe for more practical app reviews and money-saving comparisons.